Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two contenders that promise to zap away dirt and grime, the Bissell Steam Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. Are you ready to mop your way to a cleaner home? Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Bissell Steam Mop comes in at a friendly $102. Reviewers appreciate its value for money, especially for its lightweight design and effective cleaning capabilities on various floor types. On the other hand, the Neugo Steam Mop is priced slightly higher at $109. Reviewers also find it to be a reasonable investment, considering its efficiency in sanitizing and cleaning floors. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, Bissell is your guy. But hey, what's $7 for a steaming hot mop? That's like the price of a fancy coffee. Next up, steam power. The Bissell Steam Mop can sanitize your floors and eliminate 99.9% of germs in just 30 seconds. Reviewers are impressed with its quick steam production and ability to clean effectively, especially with pets in the house. Meanwhile, Neugo cranks it up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers love how this high temperature helps remove tough stains and scuff marks, making it a powerful choice for deep cleaning. Seriously, with that steam, you could probably cook a steak. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Don't accidentally steam your pet. Now, let's talk adjustability. The Bissell has a simple high and low steam setting, which some users find adequate for their needs. However, the Neugo offers adjustable steam modes for different floor types. Reviewers appreciate this feature, noting it allows for a customized cleaning experience depending on the surface. It's like the Swiss Army knife of mops. With this level of customization, I feel like I could start my own cleaning laboratory. Moving on to the water tanks. The Bissell has an easy-fill tank, which is praised for its convenience, but some reviewers wish it had a larger capacity. Meanwhile, Neugo boasts a removable 15.2 ounces tank that users find easy to refill without spilling water everywhere. Reviewers mention that while the tank is smaller, its design makes it user-friendly, turning the refill process into a mini adventure in your cleaning routine. Now let's talk cords. Bissell comes with a 25-foot power cord, However, Neugo is flexing with a 23-foot cord that's ultra-long. Reviewers appreciate the self-standing design of Neugo, which doesn't take up too much space, making it perfect for those of us who live in tiny apartments. It's like the cord is trying to win a marathon. In summary, both the Bissell and Neugo steam mops have garnered positive reviews from users. The Bissell is often praised for its affordability and effective cleaning, especially in homes with pets. Meanwhile, the Neugo receives accolades for its high steam temperature and versatility, making it a strong contender for those needing a more powerful cleaning tool. So which mop is the ultimate cleaning companion? If you want a budget-friendly option with a heart for pets, Bissell might be your pick. But if you're looking for something with serious steam power and versatility, Neugo could be your new cleaning bestie. Whatever you choose, remember to mop responsibly. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons to help you buy smart. Until next time, keep it clean, folks. Product links are in the description.